Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if those specks of light could be more than distant suns? In our world, they are. Imagine a city where palaces are crafted from fallen stars, glowing warmly, humming with gentle light. This magical city began with a dreamer, a child who saw towers and bridges in the constellations and wished to hold a star. One night, a star drifted down, smooth and warm, and from it, a city of light and hope grew. Here, every palace is a reminder that the grandest things can start from the smallest spark of imagination. The buildings pulse with a soft, golden heartbeat, their light filling the air with a lullaby. Children press their hands to the glowing walls, telling stories about the constellations their homes came from. "Mine is from the Great Bear," one says. "Mine from the Little Dipper's handle," another replies. Bedtime stories are written in the cosmos above, and every corner holds a bit of wonder. There are no dark corners here, only the golden glow of star palaces, pushing back the night. The city is a celebration of light, hope, and the belief that even in darkness, there is always light to be found. The shimmering spires reach for the sky, reminding everyone that dreams can become glowing reality. This truth is built into the very foundation of the city. In this world, magic is as real as the ground beneath your feet, and every night, the city shines as a beacon of imagination. The star palaces are unlike anything you've seen, soft, rounded, as if shaped by a gentle hand. Picture a child's star, 3 stories high, with big round windows and curved towers topped with twinkling stars. Each palace is unique, some sprawling for big families, others cozy for quiet dreamers. Doorways arch invitingly, roofs shimmer with stardust, and balconies bloom with glowing flowers. Bridges of moonlight connect towers, and even the grandest hall feels like a huggable friend. The walls glow with honey-colored light, alive with swirling specks like fireflies in amber. Windows are crystallized light, bending the world into a dreamy haze. This is architecture born from pure joy, a city that feels safe, warm, and wondrous. Walking these streets, your feet sink into soft, glowing moss, like a plush carpet of light. The air hums with the gentle song of the palaces, calming your soul and slowing your pace. Homes curve around you, holding you in a warm embrace, while children trace patterns in the glowing walls. Neighbors chat on curved balconies, laughter echoing softly in the golden air. Streets meander like constellations, leading to hidden gardens and cozy nooks. Benches of moonbeam invite connection, and even errands feel magical. Markets glow, bread is star-baked, and every moment is precious. Here, the extraordinary is ordinary, and wonder is woven into daily life. In this city, you're never alone. Magic and community are everywhere. The golden light of the star palaces transforms everything it touches, wrapping the city in a honeyed glow. It brings out the beauty in every object, making wood richer, leaves more vibrant, and faces brighter. This light lifts spirits, replacing worry with contentment and filling the air with laughter and trust. Shadows here are gentle, purple pools, places for quiet thought, never fear. True darkness doesn't exist. The city is always safe, always welcoming. The golden light muffles harsh sounds, leaving only a peaceful hum. Artists, poets, and musicians flock here, inspired by the glow to create beauty of their own. In this city, everyone adds to the light, making beauty something to share and participate in. Now, imagine this city in claymation, warm, tangible, and lovingly imperfect. Every palace bears the artist's thumbprint, each curve and wobble adding charm and personality. The textures are rich, soft star walls, springy moss, smooth moonbeam benches. Light pours like golden honey, making the world feel inviting and real. Characters are simple, expressive, and full of heart, their wonder and joy unmistakable. Claymation makes the impossible believable. A palace made of stars feels true in this handmade world. It taps into childhood magic, reminding us that with imagination, anything is possible. This style invites us to join in the creation, to feel the joy in every detail. As night falls, the city grows brighter. Palaces shine, turning the sky into a canvas of gold. From afar, the city is a sea of glowing towers, pulsing with a gentle golden rhythm. An aurora of gold and rose pink dances above, echoing the city's heartbeat. Night is when the city comes alive. Families stroll, Music fills the squares, and storytellers gather crowds. There's no need for streetlights. The city's own glow keeps every street safe and welcoming. Stardust roofs glitter like a golden ocean, swirling in the breeze. Children lie on warm rooftops, tracing constellations above and finding their matching palaces below. Here, heaven and earth blur, and you can sleep under a roof of stars. This city of star palaces is more than fantasy. It's a symbol of hope and the power of imagination. It reminds us that dreams, no matter how wild, can spark real change and beauty. The city encourages us to keep our sense of wonder alive, to see magic in the everyday. Each glowing palace is like a kind word or a happy memory, pushing back the shadows. We all have the power to add our own light to the world, making it warmer and brighter. Let's keep dreaming, imagining worlds where the impossible is possible. The feelings this city evokes, wonder, hope, creativity, are real, and they help us build our own beautiful realities. After all, every grand palace starts with a single shine.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.